Carl Friedrich Gauss, known as the Prince of Mathematics, was not just a mathematician, he was a physicist, an astronomer, and a scientist whose work revolutionized multiple fields. His genius shaped modern science like no other, but what made him such a timeless figure in history? Let's dive into the life and legacy of Carl Gauss. Welcome to Fact or Theory, the channel where we explore the greatest minds, groundbreaking discoveries, and the mysteries of the universe. If you love unraveling the stories behind history's brightest figures, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Let's begin our journey into the incredible mind of Carl Gauss, early life and the genius child. Carl Friedrich Gauss was born in 1777 in the small town of Brunswick, Germany. From a young age, his brilliance was impossible to ignore. At the age of 7, while in school, Gauss stunned his teacher by solving a complex summation problem within seconds. The task was to add the numbers from 1 to 100. While others worked step by step, Gauss instantly saw the solution by pairing numbers, 1 with 100, 2 with 99, and so on. This insight gave him the correct answer, 5050. Without writing anything down, this story, though possibly embellished, shows how early Gauss demonstrated his natural genius. His talent caught the attention of Duke Ferdinand of Brunswick, who recognized his potential and sponsored his education. This support gave Gauss access to higher education, where his intellect would flourish. By the time he was a teenager, Gauss was already making groundbreaking contributions to mathematics. One such discovery was the construction of a 17-sided polygon using only a compass and straight edge. This was a feat no one had accomplished in over 2,000 years, dating back to the time of the ancient Greeks. Gauss's early achievements set the stage for a lifetime of brilliance. Revolutionary contributions to mathematics. As Gauss grew older, his genius only became more evident. One of his most influential works, Disquisitiones Arithmeticae, was published when he was just 21 years old. This groundbreaking book laid the foundation for modern number theory, a field critical to cryptography and computer science today. Gauss introduced modular arithmetic, a concept used in everything from secure online transactions to error detection in data. Another major contribution was the Gaussian distribution, also known as the normal distribution. This bell-shaped curve is central to statistics, describing patterns in everything from natural phenomena to human behavior. He didn't stop there. Gauss developed the method of least squares, a statistical technique still used in data analysis, machine learning, and astronomy. These contributions made Gauss a central figure in mathematics, but his genius wasn't limited to this field alone. Physicist, magnetism and electricity. Gauss's brilliance extended far beyond mathematics. In physics, he made profound contributions to the study of magnetism and electricity. One of his most famous achievements is Gauss's law, which describes the relationship between electric charge and the resulting electric field. This law became one of Maxwell's equations, forming the backbone of classical electromagnetism. Gauss didn't just theorize, he also innovated. In collaboration with physicist Wilhelm Weber, Gauss developed the first electromagnetic telegraph. This invention was a precursor to modern communication technologies and demonstrated how theory could drive practical innovation. Gauss also contributed to measuring Earth's magnetic field, creating instruments to study geomagnetism with unprecedented accuracy. His work in physics wasn't just groundbreaking, it laid the foundation for technologies we rely on every day, from power grids to telecommunications. Gauss, the astronomer. Gauss's genius also shone brightly in the field of astronomy. In 1801, Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi discovered a small celestial object, later named Ceres. Shortly after its discovery, Ceres disappeared behind the glare of the sun. Astronomers feared they'd never locate it again, but Gauss stepped in, applying his mathematical genius to predict its orbit. Using his groundbreaking method of least squares, Gauss calculated Ceres's position with incredible precision. When astronomers pointed their telescopes based on his predictions, Ceres was exactly where he said it would be this feat made Gauss a legend in astronomy and demonstrated the power of mathematics to solve real-world problems. Gauss's contributions didn't stop with series. He developed techniques for calculating planetary orbits that are still in use today. His work also influenced the study of celestial mechanics, providing tools to understand the motion of planets, moons, and asteroids. Through his innovations, Gauss not only expanded our understanding of the cosmos, but also inspired generations of scientists to explore the universe. Practical innovations and tools. Gauss wasn't just a theorist. He was also an innovator who created practical tools to solve complex problems. One of his notable inventions was the heliotrope. This device used sunlight to create a precise beam, enabling surveyors to measure distances with remarkable accuracy. Gauss's contributions to geodesy, the science of measuring Earth's shape and size, were transformative. He developed advanced methods for mapping terrain, which helped lay the groundwork for modern cartography and GPS technology. His work in surveying was so precise that it remained a standard for decades. Gauss also pioneered research in optics and mechanics, applying his mathematical skills to improve instruments and experimental techniques. By bridging theory and application, Gauss showed that abstract ideas could lead to tangible advancements. His practical innovations not only improved scientific methods but also influenced industries ranging from engineering to navigation. Gauss's influence on modern science. Gauss's legacy is not confined to his own time. His influence extends deeply into modern science and technology. His pioneering work in number theory laid the foundation for modern cryptography, which secures everything from online banking to private messaging. In physics, Gauss's laws are still fundamental in understanding electric fields and magnetism, critical for innovations like MRI machines and wireless communication. In astronomy, the methods Gauss developed to calculate orbits are used in space exploration today. For example, space agencies like NASA rely on orbital mechanics derived from his work to send spacecraft to distant planets. Even artificial intelligence and machine learning benefit from Gauss's contributions, such as the Gaussian distribution, which helps model uncertainty and probabilities. Gauss's ability to unify theoretical and applied science inspired generations of scientists, earning him a timeless reputation. His name is immortalized in terms like Gaussian curvature in geometry and Gauss units in physics, a testament to the breadth of his impact. Gauss was more than just a mathematician or physicist. He was a visionary who connected the dots across disciplines, creating a framework that continues to shape our understanding of the universe. Conclusion. Carl Friedrich Gauss was not just one of the greatest minds of his time. He was one of the greatest minds of all time. His ability to revolutionize mathematics, physics, astronomy, and even practical engineering is unmatched. From the discovery of series to the foundation of cryptography, from electromagnetic innovations to geodesy, Gauss's contributions have shaped the world we live in today. But what makes his legacy truly remarkable is how his work continues to inspire modern science, technology, and exploration, all built on the principles Gauss established. Now that you've learned about this extraordinary figure, what do you think was his most impressive achievement? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed exploring the genius of Carl Gauss, don't forget to like this video and share it with others who love science and history, and make sure to subscribe to Fact or Theory for more stories about the brilliant minds who shaped our world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.